We will have a new feature about the stop button on our projects. First, we create a new project, we call it C, creating it, and we submit a file, a local file, and we click continue. It will be processed in a short time. We can just wait for it. Uploading files. And after its success, it will go into this takeoffs PDF, and it will be split and be processed and extracted, and by the time it is still grayed out, it is not complete. By this, it already complete, and we will try the stop button. We click on it and it will be stopped immediately, and we will have the 8 pages which is completed the extraction, and the rest of it, the 16 pages, we only have 8 pages, and the rest 8 pages is cancelled. With this, we can interact with the chat. We have the stop button here as well. If we do please extract all informations on these pages and summarize it up. Looks like we are chatting with the bot, the agent, and while it is working, we can stop it, and yeah, boom, it's done. So no continuous progression here, and we have one more stop button in the takeoff details, takeoff intelligence generation, and this is just an example. We want to do takeoff on this, skip labels. While generating the takeoff, we can click on the stop button and it will be cancelled automatically, and we refresh on it, the state is persistent, while as for the pages we extracted earlier, it is also persistent. I think that's all. Thank you.